Yo, what up, guys? Josh Diaz with a unboxing and trying on of the iPhone 14 Pro leather case with MagSafe. Got this at the Apple Store today. It will cost you $59.99, $60 for the leather case. The silicone Apple case is $49, and the clear case is $49 as well. So, like everything with Apple, it's up there in the price. So let's see if this is worth it. Got some info here. This case is made with high quality supple leather to protect your iPhone. Leather is a natural material, unlike a fine leather belt. It may show creases, marks, or a patina. I don't know what that is. Definition right there. Patina over time. Interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints. Okay, interesting. So just letting you know from the get that this case will show some imperfections over time, like with any leather. Does feel real nice. First impressions, liking the metal buttons here. It's on both sides for the volume and power here. We have protected bottom with the clear case. It does not have a protected bottom here, and the inside really nice soft material. You do see, let me get the lighting right, you do see the MagSafe ring, and we got the protection right here. Enough talking, let's put it on. So just put it like so, and there we go. Okay, now it's on. All right, so feels really good. We see here the protection from the cameras, the lip, the raised lip right here. So feel free to put it on a desk or put it on the floor and don't have to worry about any scratches or anything. Same with the front screen. See the raised lip there, so you're free to put it face down on your desk or anything and not have to worry about anything. Let's check these buttons, or let's take a screenshot. All right, buttons feel really good, really easy to press. I mean, I noticed with the silicone case with the phone last year, the silicone buttons were really hard to press. But just in my opinion, these metal buttons, they feel really nice. Protection all around the phone feels really good. Let's do a MagSafe check here. I do have the Anchor Mag Go. It's a little accessory I did a video on, and it is strong. Ain't going nowhere. So that's pretty good. And here we have the battery case from Apple. Did a video on that too. And we are good. We're charging. We are ready to go. It's on. I'm shaking it. It ain't going nowhere. So that's dope. All right, so I'm going to be using this case for the time being. I do see a little, I think it has, like I was talking about earlier, you're going to see like a little MagSafe ring. I'm kind of seeing it already. But I'm going to be using this case for now. See how it is. Guys, thanks for checking it out. Subscribe, thumbs up. Peace.